Hello everyone. My company is Jiangsu Fengrun Electrical Equipment Group company. And our company founded in 1995, which has more than 25 years history for producing evaporators and condensers of refrigerators and air conditioners. We are so happy to come here to attend this show, and we feel very happy. We also have some customers, old customers in Egypt to visit us, and we talk our business happily. I hope next year we will come to this show again. Thank you.